So I ordered 2 of the Anker mystery boxes. I ordered one common mystery box, which is one of the cheapest ones. That's £19.99. And I also ordered the ultimate mystery box, and that's £59.99. So here is what's arrived. I ordered 2 items in total. I did think it would come in like a mystery kind of box or a separate box, but the items that you order are just in the envelope. But whatever was your item in the mystery box, it'll just come through like this. So there's no elaborate unboxing. It's just the parcel which came. I'm just going to open it. So we have two items. We've got the Anker power bank and we've got the Anker charger. This is just an Anker charger, 65 watts, 3 ports. So this would have been the common mystery box. Let's just unbox it. Okay, yeah, so just a basic charger. This is £20. I just want to see how much this is worth. Yeah, on Amazon this is £21.49. So it's like a £2 saving almost. Not too bad. It does feel like it's good build quality. It feels quite solid. I will be testing this out later, but I think it's a decent product for the price. And now we're going to move on to the more expensive item. So this was the ultimate mystery box. So to be honest, looking at some of the items you could have got, this was one of the ones I was wanting. I think I can charge my MacBook with this as well. It's quite powerful. So let's open it. This is what it looks like. 140 watts high speed input and output. Anker 737 power bank. Let me just see how much that's worth. So this £75. Yeah, that's the one. So £75. Yeah, so that's decent. I mean, I paid £60, so there is a £15 saving there. Let's open it. There we go. This is the Anker 737 power bank. It does feel very solid. So it gives you the stats there. So currently it's charged at 26%. That's how much power it has. But it's quite solid. I think it's going to be a powerful... Just looking at the power bank, you can see it displays temperature, battery health, total input and total output, and also battery cycle and screen uses. I'm just going to take this peel off here. Okay. So yeah, I like the kind of texture that's on this side. Yeah, the build quality and the design of this power bank is really nice. So I'm going to be testing this out just to see how well it lasts. I'm going to need to charge it to 100% first. But yeah, so that's everything I got in my 2 Anker mystery boxes. I will make another video where I buy every single mystery box. I think the common one is sold out now, but I'll buy the others. And we'll see what we get next time. So if you like this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. And also in this box, you've got so a safety sheet there. There's like a pouch to carry the portable charger in. And we've got a USB-C wire there. So that'll be handy for charging my phone. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.